Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies the easy way. We'll start by gathering just a few common ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. Then, I'll show you how to quickly mix everything together using a simple kitchen tool. Finally, we'll get your oven ready at the perfect temperature, ensuring your cookies bake beautifully every time. It's all about keeping things straightforward and delicious. Now that your ingredients are ready, let's get mixing. First, combine your softened butter and sugar until they are wonderfully light and airy. Next, incorporate your eggs and a splash of vanilla for that classic cookie flavor. Once your dough is perfectly mixed, simply use a spoon to drop uniform portions onto your prepared baking sheet. This method saves time and keeps things super simple. If you're finding these cookie tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. On another note, imagine baking with your favorite tunes playing or setting a timer hands-free. The Echo Dot smart speaker can do just that, making your kitchen even smarter. Check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. The best part is almost here. Pop your baking sheet into the preheated oven and let those cookies bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the edges turn a lovely golden brown. Once out of the oven, allow them to rest on the sheet for 5 minutes before moving them. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.